So you're killing it at your game, leveling up, developing your technology tree, when suddenly your computer starts to smoke, fries your hard drive. What do you do next? Do you love winning at games, but somehow it feels like in the game of life, you're losing? Well, what if I told you that real life is like a game? And just like your favorite game, success depends on your strategy, your skill tree, and your willingness to level up. Hi, I'm the Independent Autistic, and on this channel we empower young adult autistics to live independently and thrive. It is my passion to help you grow. So here's a few takeaways from gaming that apply directly to life. Number one, technology tree, skill upgrades. Just like upgrading weapons or tools in a game, you can upgrade personal skills. Progress comes from leveling up your abilities one at a time. Number two, persistence. In a game, if you fail a level, you don't quit. You try again. You upgrade, you adapt, you reattempt. If you apply the same grit to life, you will win. Keep trying, keep upgrading. Number three, continuous learning. Games are full of constant discovery. Real life is the same. Stay curious, learn new things. It's a huge part of success. Number four, reload from a saved point. Sometimes a game goes bad and you have to restart from an earlier save. Life works a lot like that. If you hit burnout, breakdown, or meltdown, don't quit. Restart. Begin again with what you've already learned. You are not starting from scratch. You're starting now from experience. Even if a mental health crisis wipes you out, you still have your skills. Rebuild. You've done it before, and this time you will go faster and better. So here's some skills for your skill tree. It's not just about task. It's about who you become on the journey. That's the key teaching. Success happens when you do something until it becomes natural and automatic. That's habit. That's mastery. That's muscle memory. So here's some basic skills. Basic home skills, proper hygiene. Use pictures or words to remind you what's needed. Next, dress for success. Dress appropriately for what you're planning in your day. Laundry. Learn step by step, use a checklist until it becomes second nature to do your laundry well. Dishes. If you have sensory issues, this may be hard, but use long rubber gloves, and that will help you with the ick and sensory displeasure. Cooking. Start small. Even a microwave meal starts as a step toward independence. Cleaning. Set a timer for just 10 minutes and clean everything you can in that 10 minutes. You will be shocked at the difference it makes. Transportation. Learn transportation. Learn to move around in your area. That might mean riding a bus, biking, learning to walk to places, learning on the subway. And most importantly, the next point, a driver's license. Most autistics can and should learn to drive. Find the process in your state and begin today. It's pretty easy to take the driver's manual and at least learn traffic law. Even if you're not behind the wheel of the car, you know the traffic law, what you're supposed to do when you get behind the wheel of a car. Next, financial skills. Learn to pay bills. Learn financial management. Learn basic shopping. Social skills. Care about people even if it's hard sometimes. Practice eye contact if possible. Learn the handshake and smile combo. Use people's names. They love to hear them. Practice basic scripts like, "Hi, how are you?" "Oh, I'm doing fine. What about you?" Learn active listening. It is your best superpower in social situations. Grab the full social script guide in my program, the Independent Bridge Autistic series. Job skills. Economic upgrades. We know how important that is in gaming. So, interview practice. Do 5 mock interviews online or with a friend. Application skills. Fill out 10 online applications, even if they're just for practice, even if you have no intention of taking those jobs. Practice. Paperwork. Gather your reference and your work history. Build a resume and portfolio. Build this to showcase your proudest work. These are little steps, but like any upgrade in a game, they take time. Start the upgrade, focus on it, and give it 20 to 30 days if needed. Step by step, you will level up. Personal growth and mindset. You need to grow in this area. Set goals, they motivate and direct you. Time management, plan your day and follow through. Organization, confusion leads to paralysis. Create systems to stay clear and focused. Growth media, listen to books and programs. Better yet, get my 5 ebook series on the Independent Autistic. Check the link below. Coaching, a mentor can help guide you through your progress. Executive function tools, we sometimes struggle with this. Use planners, timers, and other supports to get through. Habits. Willpower fades, but habits carry you through. List. Don't work from memory. Sometimes our memory is really messed up. Work from paper or digital list. Systems. Your current system may be chaos. First observe it. Then change the parts of that system that are not helping you. Build a system that leads to success. Advanced skills. Turn a special skill into a marketable skill. Learn money management and investing. Go deep with college, trade school, or self-education. Learn to read and educate yourself about the fields you love. 10x your thinking. Think big. Key questions for autistic independence. What is necessary for independence? Think about that, and then develop the skills. How can you gain motivation? Am I getting better? Am I getting the teaching I need? Am I practicing enough? Have I built routines that lead me to growth? Have I found a mentor? Take massive action. In gaming, we sit down sometimes for 3, 7, 10 hours and act relentlessly. What if you just gave 1 hour a day purposely to leveling up your real life skills? Where would you be in 6 months? Whatever your technology tree, create it. Write it down. Be intentional with the skills. Growth doesn't happen by accident. It happens by intent. If you mess up, no big deal. Hit reload, restart, rebuild. You've got the skills and now you have the strategy. This is the Independent Autistic reminding you, you were born different to make a difference. Like, subscribe, and comment the YouTube-y things. Thank you.